for today's video, let's do unboxing. And we already reached 1,000 subscribers na. Yay!
1,000 subscribers?
Yes! Thank you so much everyone for subscribing and watching my videos. If hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe, then click that subscribe button and like and also hit the notification bell for more updates. So, for today's video guys, we are going to unbox my Apple Watch. May pa ganun. So, we just came home from city center and we have this
Pwede naman buksan niya.
iPad.
Sino nagsabi sa'yo?
So, here the iWatch, guys. So we will do unboxing for this one. This is iWatch Series 5. Bumili po kami sa iPad sa City Center. So let's open it now, guys. Let's do unboxing. Anyways, guys, because we reached already 1,000 subscribers in our channel, we will do giveaway, but the mechanics, we will announce it mamaya pagkatapos ng video. So, keep on watching and let's do unboxing. Okay? So, here it is. Let's open. Let's open. And let's watch what's inside the box. So this is what? Let's open this one, guys. Nasira pa kuko ko. Wait. So this is the charger. I don't know what's this one. This is the strap. We have those straps. So we have this strap. And let's open. So this is our Apple Watch. This is iWatch Series 5, guys. And the color of this one is silver, 40 mm. Gusto kong bilhin is black, but wala na po, or silver. So here, this is silver. And this one, we have the charger for this one. And we have the white strap. We have the white strap. Di ko po alam paano maglagay, guys. I'm so sorry. So the free strap is color white. So this is our iWatch Series 5. I bought this for Huwag nyo nang alamin ang presyo, guys. But this is one I will put the price below. Sorry. So, Tcharam! And we have this. What's this? The Etchus Caravan. So, here you have it, guys. We have this one free strap here. Only one free. The extra one. And we have this white. So, we have, ano na ito? So, we're done with our iWatch unboxing. And now, for our giveaways, guys, because we reached already 1,000 subscribers. So, first, you have to subscribe, of course, in this channel. Click subscribe and click like on this video and follow me on Instagram. And I will put my link below in the description box. And of course, comment done and comment your IG username or Facebook. Thank you!